and girls, yesterday or in the previous task, you learned that a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete idea. Okay? Today we are going to talk about the differences between a word, a phrase, and a sentence. Like I said, you learned that a sentence is a complete idea, right? A group of words that make a complete idea. A phrase is just a group of words. And then a word is just one word. So today I'm going to read some sentences, some words, and some phrases, and we're going to determine which category they would fall under. Okay? So here, let's see this. Down the slide. Okay? Do I have a naming part here? Is it telling me who went down the slide? It's not, is it? There's not even a punctuation mark at the end. So this would be a phrase. With this, look at that. It just says you. That is just a word, isn't it, boys and girls? You is just a word. But then look here. Do you think you can come over? That's a group of words that make one complete idea, right? So that's a sentence, boys and girls. So we have a word, a phrase, and a sentence. Now, let's look at some other ones and determine, are they words, are they phrases, are they sentences? Are you ready? Read that with me. The boy laughed at the joke. That is a sentence, isn't it? That is a group of words that make a complete idea. It ends with a punctuation mark. How about this one? It says, how did that? It's more than a word, but is it a complete idea? No, it's just what we call a phrase. Read that with me. Did. No, that's just a word, isn't it, boys and girls? How about this? How. Oh, that's another word. I like. That's more than one word, isn't it? But it's not a complete idea. This is a phrase. Cohen and Chloe love the new playground. That's not a word, is it? It's more than a word. Is it more than a phrase? Yes, it has a complete idea, doesn't it? Cohen and Chloe are the naming part, and then what do? They love the new playground. So that's a sentence. How about this? This says, to the park. That's more than a word, isn't it? But is that a complete idea? No. How about this one? Jill. No, Jill is just a word, isn't it? How about this sentence? I am so excited. And I just told you it was a sentence, didn't I? But it's obvious, isn't it? It has a naming part, an action part, and it has a complete idea. It's a complete sentence. So boys and girls, this was an easy lesson today, but I wanted you to understand that there are these things called words. Then we group words together to make a phrase, but they're not complete. But then we take phrases, and we have complete ideas with punctuation marks and capital letters, and those are what we call sentences. So I hope that you can walk away today understanding the difference between a word, a phrase, and a sentence.